Hey guys, welcome back to High Mileage Need Love 2. Just hit 300 subscribers. Thank you very much. I appreciate the likes, the subscribes, the comments that you've all been leaving on the videos. And what I wanted to do today is to give you a quick walk around of our shop here in West Hempstead, New York, so that you can get an idea of where we work, how we work, and the kind of work that we accept. Let me show you around. So this is our shop. We're a small 3-bay garage. We accept all manner of work: engine rebuilds, engine swaps, transmission services, transfer case services, whatever it may be. In the case of this Range Rover, an air suspension service and a power steering service. And we don't shy away from any work. If we can't get the job done, we're going to tell you right out we can't get it done. So don't be afraid to contact us with any questions you may have regarding work you might want done, or just advice on, let's say, a project that you're working on and you're stuck at some point and you're just looking for some professional advice. We offer it. It's free. We're not going to shy away from it. So believe it or not, this facility has been around since the 1930s, but we've only just started working on it recently, a few years back. We're working on improvements to the lifts, to some of the shop tools, and just the overall appearance and condition of the shop. It is old and it shows, but it's slowly improving. And with your help, we're going to get there. The goal of this channel is to provide you guys with in-depth how-tos, buyer's guide on older cars that you may be looking at and afraid of pulling the trigger on based on mileage or history or mechanical work that needs to be done to get these cars serviceable and ready for the road. I've always loved older cars because I feel that the auto manufacturers had a golden era from the mid-80s to the mid-2000s where longevity and build quality were at their peak. And we're at a time right now in 2020 where these cars have a lot of miles, some have low miles, some need a little bit of work, some need a lot of work. But regardless of these factors, they are still very good cars and worth looking into, worth purchasing, and worth a small investment of your time and money. So we're going to do our best to give you some honest buyer's guide about these cars, what to look out for if you're purchasing one, which cars to avoid, which cars to go after, what can go wrong, what kind of maintenance you should follow to keep these cars on the road and trouble-free for as long as possible. If there's a car you're interested in and there's not enough information on the web, you can leave us a comment below. We'll give you whatever advice we can via the comment section. And if it happens to come in the future, we're more than happy to do an in-depth review on the car and offer whatever expertise we can offer to guide you as best as possible in what to look out for, what to service, and how to go about buying one of these cars safely so that you don't get screwed. So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, and the bell notification to stay up to date on any future content we release. I'll see you soon.